In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website using Weebly, from navigating the site to adding a new page. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Weebly.com. Once the page loads, you'll see Weebly's homepage. This site offers a user-friendly interface for building your personal website or online store with ease. It's a great choice if you're looking for a platform that's intuitive and easy to navigate. Next, look for the login option and click on Login with Google. This is a quick and convenient way to access your account without needing to remember additional passwords. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see your existing projects. On the dashboard, find the option that says Edit Site. Clicking on this will take you to Weebly's editing interface, where you can see your site's design and structure visibly laid out. Now, you might notice a pop-up appearing on your screen. Simply close it by clicking on the X button in the corner. These pop-ups are often tips or advertisements and can be easily dismissed so you can focus on your project. With the pop-up closed, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Pages. This is where you'll manage the different sections of your website. If you're looking to add additional content, you'll want to add a new page. To do this, look towards the top left corner of the page menu where you'll find a plus icon. Click this to start adding a subpage to your site. Once you've clicked the plus, you'll have a few options, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a standard page. Select this option to proceed. A new window will appear, prompting you to type in the name of the new page you're creating. Choose a name that best describes the content or purpose of the page, as this helps not only in navigation but also in SEO. After entering your page name, confirm your action by clicking on Done. This adds the new page to your site structure, and you'll be able to see it listed among the other pages. Throughout this process, take your time to familiarize yourself with the editing tools that Weebly provides. It's designed to be intuitive, but feel free to explore different features and layouts until you achieve the look and functionality you desire for your site. Thank you for following along with this Weebly tutorial. With these steps, you should be able to easily set up and customize your own website. Happy building!